Good morning from Ocala, Florida. It is Boxing Day, the day after Christmas. I think it's Boxing Day, right? An old Canadian holiday of cleaning up all your boxes, or punching each other, or whatever you do on Boxing Day. We are headed to Palatka, Florida. I know it sounds weird. It's in Palatka, Florida. Well, one of my favorite hikes in Florida is there, which is what's called Ravine Gardens State Park. It feels like you're not in Florida. There's hills and ravines and such, which is kind of cool. So Onyx and I got up early. I've got a campground all set up at Ravine campground, which is like on a dam. I used to fish there when I was a kid. Part of the cross Florida, I don't know, they wanted to build a river across Florida for shipping routes or whatever, and caused all sorts of environmental issues and things like that. I don't know, do your own research. I don't know how you feel about it. So that's our plan. Got off to a rough start this morning. I ran out of gas, which is the second time I've done that in good old Vandolph because, well, I don't have, how do you say, a working fuel gauge. So I just sort of guess at where my fuel's at and then stop for gas. But burned me this morning. So that's the plan, that's the scenario, and that's what we're going to be doing. Very exciting. I'm just excited to be out of Ocala. I feel like I've been out of Ocala twice this entire year, 2020, and here it is, almost 2021. It's going to be nice to get away. Built the van up, so I've got a bed back there. Got all my new solar put in. Everything is working out to plan, hopefully. So, stay tuned. So as you can see, Ravine Gardens is in the wild, wild state of whatever goes Florida. About an hour away from St. Augustine in Palatka, Florida. This place is 59 acres and one of the 9 New Deal era state parks in Florida. There are 2 120 feet deep ravines with some pretty steep banks. It makes for great hiking and completely different scenery along the way. It's pretty here. This trail we took is supposed to be strenuous. 2.5 miles. Rocks. You know, stuff that's weird seeing in Florida. It's stuff you typically see like North Georgia. Because there's hills here. Right? Weird. Who said there's no waterfalls in Florida? That counts. I don't think I would call this strenuous. A lot of ups and downs, like life, I guess. But there's definitely some muddy parts. There's some steps to climb. Some really cool, I don't know, big bridges to cross. I dig it. It's a great hike. So far we've been to the top of the ravine. Now we're down at the bottom. It looks like I don't know, looks like I'm in Vietnam. Just wet. Jungle trees. More steps like this. Dude is 13 years old. Still tries to out-hike me. Can't keep up with him. This thing is shaky as Overall, this hike is even better than I remembered. Fun, not too strenuous, perfect hike to bring your dogs, perfect hike if you're in the St. Augustine area and want to get away. Just experience real Florida. I love it. 10 out of 10.